Hello everyone, this is Jag, and today I'm going to set up an irrigation system using half-inch PVC pipe. I'm going to drill holes in the half-inch PVC pipe wherever I need water for my plants.
So I have the half-inch PVC pipe. I have a T-joint with thread on one end and flush on the other two ends. I also have a T-joint that's flush on all three ends. And I have elbow joints as well that are also flushed on the ends. Now the reason I have the T-joint with the thread on one end is because I'm going to attach it to my in-ground sprinklers. So I'm going to first attach half-inch PVC pipe to the T-joint, and this end will actually attach to the in-ground sprinklers. Now I'm going to use another T-joint to make a run. This is how it's looking so far. I have a T-joint with the thread on the other side which connects to the sprinklers, and I have a T-joint connect to a runner, and now I'm going to attach an elbow joint on that end. So I inserted the elbow joint on the far end and attached another runner as well.
I'm not using any glue to join the PVC pipe because I'm going to use a valve to control water pressure in the PVC pipe. Since there's not going to be enough pressure, the glue is not necessary.
And now I'm going to drill holes using 1/16 inch drill. I'm going to drill holes on each side alternatively. So here is the hole setup. I have a main pipe, then I have 4 runners with holes, and the water is going to be sprinkling out of each one of these holes to provide water to the plants. I also capped the ends of the runners. I connected the T-joint to the valve which attaches to my in-ground sprinkler.
Look at this, it actually works. I was actually a little bit skeptical. I wasn't sure if it's actually going to work, if the pressure is going to be even, or if the water jets throughout those little holes is going to be even throughout those pipes. But seems like it's working pretty well. Now in this system, you actually need this valve because you want to be able to control the water pressure. Otherwise, the water will spray out of the holes all over the place. So if I had no valve, this is what will happen. Look at this, it's actually going crazy and the water is jetting out of those pipes like crazy. That's what we don't want. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in another video.